a pair there, boy. Yeah, hit it. Like you got a pair. Come on, there you go. Hit that shit. It's froze dirt. You gotta hit it hard. Swing that hammer. There you go. You got some of it off. Now keep going. Did you know off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at a giant chunk in there, yeah. Sweet. There we go. Alright. Oh. Oh.
There it is.
Whoop, there it is. Alright, shut her down.
That's our remote pocket.
And there she is. Oh, smoke and mold.
Down there is 2.5 inches.
Well, you know, that's looking different now that you put a light on that.
Yeah, it's a lot more visible.
Yeah. See what's up here. There's 3. You see, I thought it was right here though.
Oh, it's right here. See that?
I wonder if they had something else there. It looks like it goes down and back up.
No, it was flat.
You know, I wonder if it was loose and it had rubbed up there. You see, right
Probably.
here, we still have paint here.
Yeah, I'm sure it was probably loose.
And that's why I went 2.5. Because that looked like it was rubbed right there.
Yeah, that actually looks a little bit higher than this piece right here.
Yeah.
Like it's lifted.
Like something had happened at some time or another.
Hmm.
Are you happy with 2.5 or you want to go more?
The 2.5 is good.
So we could probably do 2 3/4. That takes it to there. That might be better yet. That way we only have to take an inch off of each, not an inch, an eighth off of the top and bottom, which would be a 16th. What do you say? Want to change or not?
Yeah, that would look a little better.
Okay, so 2 3/4 is what we're going for. All right.
Yeah.
So here's what I was thinking. You know, see, I'm always telling you what to do, and I don't want to tell you what to do.
All right.
So, if you want my opinion, I'll tell you. Other than that, it's your project.
Yeah.
Well, I like you to make your own decisions.
We went with the cardboard template idea where we would cut out the shape of the circle we need using a lot of math, which I really didn't understand. So we drew out the width, and then we drew out the circle on a piece of cardboard that we were just going to throw out. And from there we'd cut around the circle until we get the exact shape we wanted. And after that we would draw it onto the wood, so that way we could have a template of what we needed to cut. And it goes right there. Matches the line right there, and it matches the line right there, and it fits perfectly. There it is. So it's in here. I already cleared that out too. The markings there. Half the board right here. We're still gonna cut a little bit right here. At this part we actually start cutting, and it wasn't really easy. We were kind of using these old batteries on some old tools, and I ended up having to switch the battery 3 times until just giving up and actually going to use a saw. For the first part I started using a Sawzall, but that was the one that kind of ran through the batteries a lot, and then we had to go for the hand saw or whatever that one is. I'm not good with tool names. And then when we got the pieces close enough, we brought out to the jigsaw and cut from there. Now the jigsaw blade was really small, so I had to do it twice, one on each side. But it did definitely do a lot more work than the first saw. So now that we have all the cutting lines in, I brought out a hammer and chisel to bring down the cuts a little farther. And after that, we would be able to get the jigsaw in there. This is actually a method I learned at school, and it's probably one of the most useful things I've learned so far. I chiseled that out.
Huh?
I chiseled that out.
Yeah, you did. Yes, you did. That's tough going. For anybody. All up, we're done with that. What else we got out, Brett?
So we're gonna use a vacuum to suck up the sawdust for this to kind of make wood filler for all the little areas like this that we need to fix. Especially this one right here.
Buddy, that did a lot more than I thought it would, Brett. I'm impressed. I didn't think it'd turn out that good. Oh yeah, we got just a little bit. Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We will have, when we start doing the planing, we're going to have a lot of wood. So we can use that too.
Yeah.
My God, that is awesome.
That's gonna work.
Brett, that came out nice.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Now, is it deep as we wanted it? Here's our spot here. What about on the other side?
Alright.
Do we need to go a little deeper
Um,
with the sanding?
looks good to me.
Okay. I mean, I know it's a lot of work to sand it, but we want to do it right.
Yeah, it looks good. I can actually see its shape now. Let me find some open space. Yeah, look at that. I can actually really see it. Once we get another pillar in here, all we have to do is sand this corner out, which didn't actually take long. It took us about 15 minutes. We took a little 5-minute break in between. But once we get this done, we can put the bolts in. Well, not finished, because we still need to cut down the sides a little bit more and plane it down a little bit since we have all this on it and we want it to be a little smoother. And then we can start working on the top part. Yeah, I can actually really see its shape. And I remember that is about the right size for it. Looks good.
That looks great. You really got something going there, cheese ball. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we still recording?
Yeah.
Shall we try it again? That looks good.
There we go. Yeah.
Well, you know what's next?
Planing.
Yep. Yep. All we gotta do is drill holes, put the bolts in it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we need the pieces for the top.
Yeah.
So we can then go get that wood for that. See what we're gonna have to do. Wow.
Yeah, that's good.
Come further apart.
Alright.
Oh, a little too close to that again. Where's she sitting? Wow.
Right?
Oh, no.
That's planer.
Oh.
These are finely.
This is all it's good for.
What?
What?
A table for chips.
Well, right now, yes, but
Dirt. It's supposed to be a. Oh, are you gonna put it downstairs in your room or?
I'll have enough space for it. Yeah.
All right. You can put your train on it.
Mm-hmm. No, David, I'm not gonna put my chips up here.
Chips.
No.
Carrot.
What?
Carrot.
What?
What?
Carrot.
What I would do is put you a piece of train track right there.
Mm-hmm.
And
And
then
put
your
chips
train.
on it. I know.
Oh my god. What is wrong with you?
No, train, not chip. Say,
If we're gonna do something,
say train.
make a train that goes like down this and like a spiral.
Okay, now up here, the second piece up here. Sure, I
Three
can
more
set chips up there, but down here, no chips.
Oh, Doritos.
Yes, chips.
Doritos.
Oh, we're all going brands, huh?